Want to learn how to invest in crypto with a small portfolio or a large portfolio? Come inside. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel today. And in today's video, we're going to do a quick video, a real quick how to invest in crypto video for a small portfolio or a large portfolio. If you got a little bit of funds or a large amount of funds and you want to invest them in the crypto, how do you do it? Okay. All right. Number one, when you get into crypto, okay, the first thing that you want to do is you want to stop saying crypto and you want to start saying digital assets. Okay. Crypto equals get rich quick. Digital assets equals long-term investments or investing. Okay. All right. And so the reason I start off that way is because for you to invest into something, you need to believe in it. All right. And so most people, when they come into crypto, they hear about all these people making all this money and they hear about all this get rich quick stuff. And this is not a game. I've been in this game for 3 years. While it has been good to me, it has not come quickly. All right. When it comes, it does come quick. But the money that I made from crypto did not come fast. Okay. It came from good, prudent, long-term investing. Okay. All right. And so that's because I believe in these digital assets and I don't look at them as crypto assets to get rich quick. Okay. All right. So that's number one. That's the first thing. All right. So right now we're going to get into how do you invest in crypto with a small portfolio or a large portfolio. All right. First of all, first thing I got to say, I am not a financial advisor and this is not financial advice. Okay. All right. So let's get into this quick. I want this to be a quick video, guys. All right. So number one, for a small portfolio, I'm going to give you a real easy investment strategy called DCA or dollar cost averaging. Okay. Dollar cost averaging is no different than what most of you guys are doing into your 401k. You want to find your means of investing into your particular crypto asset, whether it be Cash App, whether it be Robinhood, or whether it be a crypto exchange. You want to find your way to invest in cryptos and you want a dollar cost average. And what that basically means is, in a simple form, put in small amounts of money incrementally over time. All right. So for one of the first rules of crypto is you never invest more than you can afford to lose in the crypto. So small amounts of money are good. $25 a week, $10 a week, $50 a week. Or if you up on the upper end of the money making ladder, $100 or $200 a week. But it needs to be an amount small enough that you can put in weekly, that doesn't hurt you. And if you can put it in weekly and it doesn't hurt you, that means you'll be able to leave it there until it does what it's supposed to do. All right. And so that's the first part of investing in crypto with a small portfolio, dollar cost averaging. That's the easiest way to invest in crypto. And what it does is it spreads your purchases out over time so that some of your buys will come when the market is way down. Some of your buys will come when the market is way up. But you guys are so early in this asset class. When you get your mind away from crypto and you get it into digital assets, what you will learn is that this is a asset class that is only 10 years old. Okay. And you are so early. So these small amounts of money $100 in the crypto market is like $1,000 in the traditional market. Okay, you guys are so early, so these small amounts of money, when you're talking about 3 years, 5 years, 10 years out, can be loads of money for you and your family going forward. All right, and so now let's get into how you invest a large portfolio. Okay. All right. To invest a large portfolio, when you're working with more money, okay, we have, it's kind of a slang term, but we have a term in crypto. We call it the two bag theory. Okay. Or we call it the two bag system. And what the two bag system is you want to have a short term bag and you want to have a long term bag. Okay. So what does that mean? What that means is basically, let's say you got $1,000 to invest, and so $1,000 is a decent amount of money for most folks, which would be, I would consider that maybe at the bottom end of a large portfolio investment, right? And so you got $1,000. You can take that $1,000 and split it into half, 500 and 500. 500 in your short-term bag, 500 in your long-term bag. So let's talk about the long-term bag first, okay? Because it's easier. Your long-term bag is the bag, or it is the investment into crypto that will make sure that at some point you make money. If you invest your money, and I'm gonna get to that last, I should have got to that first. If you invest your money into good, solid cryptos, investments, digital assets, okay? Not this quick get rich quick stuff. The get rich quick stuff will get you in trouble, guys. All right. So that's the long-term bag. The long-term bag, you may even do this 80-20, where your long-term bag is only 20%, but you wanna put money into that long-term bag that you can leave there for a long time. Okay. Your short-term bag, this one is a little more complicated because this is the bag that you make money off of. Okay. All right. So it's two ways of holding your short-term bag. Okay. If it goes so high, it's so much of that bag you're going to sell incrementally to make money. Okay. If the prices start to drop, it's so much of that bag you're going to sell on the way down to preserve capital in case the price goes lower, so you will have capital to buy at lower prices. Okay. And two very simple investment strategies: one for your short-term bag, one for a small portfolio, one for a large portfolio. Okay. And I should have said this first, but I'm going to say it now, and maybe it'll hit home better now that it's coming at the end instead of coming first. The first thing you do when you hear about one of these cryptocurrencies, digital, I even have a problem with that, guys. I'm trying to get used to saying digital assets. But when a buddy runs up to you and he tells you about one of these digital assets and you got to get into it, right? You got to get into this digital asset. The first thing you do is research. 1, 2, 3 days of research, a couple quick Google searches, and you can find everything you want to find on any particular crypto. All the information, the market cap, how much money is in the coin, what the coin does, how does it operate, is it proof of stake, is it proof of work. You find out these things, and it's not a bunch of things, it's about 10 things that you need to kind of go look at and find out about the coin. And the market cap is key. Okay. You want to find out about the coin, and the doorbell just rang. That screwed me up. You want to find out about the coin, and so there's just a few things you want to find out about the coin and do your research. And so there's a lot of people that say, man, I don't have time for research. I don't like researching coins. I don't have time for it. Well, if you don't want to do the research in crypto may not be for you at this particular point in time. Okay. And that's just me being very honest and being very real. So if you don't want to do the research, that kind of means you don't want to make the money. All right. That's how it works. Crypto is very simple. All you got to do is pop your phone open, a couple Google searches, and you'll know what you need to know about a particular crypto. So guys, appreciate you guys watching the video. If this helped you in any way, I'm happy. That's what I'm here to do, here to help. If you guys want to learn more about crypto, check out my link below for my cryptocurrency course. See you guys in the next video.